Today I will show you some improvement that we have added in Code RealTime debug feature. I am using traffic light web application to show it. I have already running the web app version of it. Now I will use the launch configuration to debug it. So launch configuration has nothing but the TC that I want to run and some basic requirement, the type launch. I will start running it. And the first feature that I will show is the active state of capsule instances, state machines. So now it is started. I will continue. You can see in the art debug view, it is already shown all the instances that is active at this time and their state that is highlighted. The root TL system has a state and traffic light active state is toggling between red, green and yellow. If I try to change this pedestrian wants to cross, I will click it. Then you can see the light become active, traffic light become red and pedestrian light become work. And after 5 seconds, it again turn to do not work. So this is how user can see all the active state of all the capsule instances state machine at the single place. User can also customize how they want to see it by clicking on this icon, active state, that shows the different format. Like currently it is showing simple name, that is a plain single name. But if there are sub-state, nested state, then user can click on active state qualified name that will show the qualified version of the states. And if they don't want to see at all these names, then they can just click on this, do not show. This is how the active state will work, and we can also use this feature to see the active states of all the instances or debug module real-time application through the attach mode of code real-time. You can see there is an attach mode also possible, and user can select on attach DC. This does not require the code model real-time application to be exported as of now. We can just use the attach feature and run it somewhere in the module real-time. So I'm using the binary of traffic light, the sample that we have in the module real-time. In the run configuration, I have already given the argument of listen 3650 that is required for the debugging feature to work, and I will just run it here. So you can see it is running and it is observability listening on TC port 3650. I'll use the same port to attach the same application here. Application, it is already attached and it is in the suspended state at the start of the application execution. Once I click resume, you can see the state is that already shown here. And as of now, there is no automatic change of state. I have to use the events on the ports. Like in the control, we have an event green, red, yellow. So if I change to green, you can see the state change to green. And the same message will be printed here in the console of model real time where the application is actually running. And if I try to again send green, then there will be error, but user has to see the console to see all those errors because that is running in different environment. So this is how we can also use the code real-time debug feature to see the active states or also send the events and visualize the applications.